Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, roof rack. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating.